Hey, didn't see you all there. Welcome to today's video. This here's a shed. We've been trying to move it. So we've only been back to the farm for about a year and constantly making changes every day. We are finding things on the farm that we're trying to upcycle and just reuse. One of the things is we've been using this corn crib here to store feed in. When we just had the one group of chickens in the permanent structure, it wasn't too bad because our horse is here and the chickens were here. But we slowly moved over to this other field, and moving over to the other field, now we just have multiple places that we need to go to try to do our feeding. So out there we have all of our chickens and our 2 pigs. One of the things that we are working on here recently is taking an old shed that sat over here. There was actually really good bones inside, so we didn't want to waste that. So we decided to take it to the field where our chickens and pigs are. And that will become our new feed storage. So let me take you over there and we'll take a look at the new house for the shed. Alright, so this here is the old shed. This is going to become our new feed storage. We're going to put a lean-to off the back and make a couple stalls and a covered area for us to keep some tools. Right now, our feed is currently down in the corn crib, about right back there. Right now I only have a 4-wheeler, and I have put 2 milk crates on the back. So typically I carry one with water and the other one with feed out to the field. Don't have much going on out here, but with the plan to get goats, it's just gonna become a problem later. It does on the outside need some fixing, but inside was actually not too bad. There's only one little hole in the floor. The floor was still pretty sturdy, and with the price of wood, we just couldn't really afford to buy something this big already pre-built. They are very expensive, so just resheeting this from what we have on the farm should be relatively cheap for us. Hi Penny, good morning. Today we have some rain in the forecast, so we're hoping to work on these blocks and get the shed leveled before the rain comes. Alright, as far as getting that out, I'll just try that tilt down. Alright, so this is the shed project that we're working on. Let us know in the comments below if you think there's anything that we should do to this or try to do. If anybody has any experience with this, we'll take any kind of advice that we could get. So give the video a like. Please subscribe to the channel. That way you can catch all the future videos for this shed move. Thanks.